She's with us, and of course, we'll call kumnyama khona ufisa ukukhanyiseleka. You can call us on 0861596596. On the line, we are joined by you, Anonymous. Hello, Anonymous. All you need to do is just say Thokoza Gogo, Thokoza Makhosi, and she'll take care of the rest, of course. Anonymous.
Yeah, Mama.
Ukraine before?
Capet.
Masikhakhane is all yours, dog.
Thokoza Gogo.
Thokoza mkhulu njani? Sikhona mawungena la emoyeni uthi impilo yakho iyabheda kodwa Makhosi kodwa amathonga akho ahamba ngavumisani nawe 100%, and this is why firstly abantu hamba nabo abantu bakomalume bakho bese kuphinde futhi kuvela ukuthi kukhona namakhehla asekhabo kababa wakho. Now abantu abadala bathi uhamba nabo akekho umuntu in your bloodline emndenini wakho currently ohlakaniphe no innovative njengawe, ngoba wena uqhamuka nama ideas amasha zonke insuku okudala imali. Ungafika ebusinessini lomuntu ulistadishe kube wena oqhamuka nezindlela ezinye zokuthi ungalithuthukisa kanjani. If you were to go into business, ungaba a formidable business consultant because you always have booming business ideas. You are very good when it comes to sketching and putting things down on paper and writing things down. Umuntu okwaziyo ukuanalyze nokustrategize kakhulu. Abantu abaningi undermine because uyakuthanda ukudlala, uyakuthanda ukujoker, and they always take you as if umuntu mhlawumbe ongena direction kanti ubuhlakani obukhona kuwena buyamangalisa kakhulu. Now even in a relationship, you're not a person othanda ukushow off from the word go. You always want to get to know a person for who they really are before you can splurge and show them what you can do for them. Now for you, respect is most important than anything emhlabeni. Yes, you understand izinto ezinhle, but materialistic things azibalekile kakhulu to you more than a connection onayo nomndeni nenhlonipho onayo towards abantu. You're a very humble and loving person. If ufika endaweni la kuhluphe khona abantu, you fit in. If uhlele nabantu abagwilikile, you fit in. Umuntu who's very versatile. At the same time, impilo izohleze ikupusha towards people who are very powerful and influential because isithunywa sakho senza kanjalo. Now abantu abadala bathi ungena nje kwi-consultation futhi kahle kahle awukholwa ukuthi khona mina into engizokutshela yona ekuyiyona. Uthi wothi nje ngifaka ngitest ubhoko ukuthi Masikhakhane ngempela ngizongitshela into ekuyiyona ngoba into eyenzayo ngikholisisa ukuthi iyona. Bathi abadala cha, kanti asidlali, wena lungisa okungokwakhe empilweni ukuze inhlanhla zakho zikwazi ukuvuleka, ngoba ungabe siqamba amanga masithi kukhona abantu abaningi abakuthakathayo abavala izinto zakho. Wena ozihlehlisile edlozini, wena ozihlehlisile esithunyweni naNkulunkulu. Bakhuluma ngesithunywa ngani ngoba wena uyazazi ukuthi umlomo ongathethi imanga into oyikhuluma noma uyicabanga iba yiyona, ngoba amadlozi anakho ukukhuluma nawe nokukuvezela izinto. Kangangokuba even when it comes to friendships, you are not easily deceived because you can tell people for who and what they are. Lastly, abakini bangivezela ukuthi you have a photographic memory. So once into wayibona awukaze wayikhohlwa. So you're not a person who is strong theoretically, but practically you are. Gizomalap.
Wow, Anonymous. Is anything accurate? Is anything like ayanguzwa kahle gogo manje? Anonymous? Oh, but
no business number ngiligadile. Ngimkhajelela nafazi.
All right, what we're going to do is we're going to leave a number yakhe after the show so that maybe you can get deeper insights if you want to carry on now. But thank you so much for calling in, Anonymous, okay? Masikhakhane in the building. All right, let's go to line number 6. Anonymous, unjani?
Unjani zift?
Ngikhona bhuti wami kulalele Masikhakhane.
Thokoza Makhosi. Ngizalwa ngo-October 1989. Bengifisa ukwazi ukuthi around
mana
personal.
Thokoza mkhulu njani?
Hello?
Unjani mkhulu?
Ngikhona njani?
Okay, so if ucela ukuhlolelwa ne amakhosi akaSikhakhane noZondi asidingi indaba zakho. Wena nje uyangena uthi Thokoza bese bona bakwazi ukuthi bakutshele lokho abakubonayo. Akubalulekile kangaka ukuthi usho usuku wazalwa ngalo. So ngicela siqale phansi ke uthi nje Thokoza gogo.
Thokoza gogo.
Okay. Makhosi, okay. Can you relax your body a bit because you're just too stiff and I don't know what you're doing with your neck, whether we are qalaza or but
it's been very stiff the whole day namhlanje. It's content and You run a business and it's just financial year end and it's quite stressful.
Okay, okay, the reason I'm talking about your neck because right now, as I'm speaking, I am finding it very hard to twist my head. So I'm feeling a lot of pain. So thank you for validating that.
It's been very painful.
Thokoza, so besides the neck, the pain is going right to the back of my head and ihambe ize ingihlale emahlombe. And then as I'm feeling that, I'm feeling a great sense of anxiety. I literally feel like crying. I feel like I'm in despair. I feel like saying nothing is working out. But then take all of those emotions and squash them and throw them away because you know you've got this. And why they're saying this is because you are too much of an overthinker. You are too much of an overachiever and you are setting unrealistic goals for yourself. Uzinikeza ama time frame amancane ukuthi I need to achieve this ngesikhathi esithize but wait because Rome was not built in a day. Yonke into inesikhathi nendawo yayo. Now, secondly, but abageni, why are you constantly sharing ideas and thoughts nabanye abantu because you know very well ukuthi people have done you over in the past. They take your ideas bagijima now bazoceba abantu ngomqondo wakho wena usale ungenalutho. Now going to your love life but right now you have so much to offer because umuntu onaluthando naliqiniso you want to focus on a stable relationship but now is not the time. Reason being ukuthi spiritually awuhlangene nabantu bakini ngendlela because as ngenza consultation yakho ngibona imsamo emine it's your maternal side, your mom's maternal side, isibongo sikababu wakho kuphinde futhi kube isibongo so khokho base side lasekhabo kababa. Now sebetheka abantu abadala in all essence mawulungisa izinto moving forward sticka kakhulu esayidini la komalume ngoba ekhabo kababa abekho spiritually strong ngoba abantu abangayigcinanga kakhulu izinto zesintu abahamba ngendlela yesithunywa nokuthandaza. Now baphinde bangivezela ukuthi kunamaphupho labo phupha khona umuntu ogijima entabeni umuntu futhi ohlaselayo. Those dreams are trying to tell you ukuthi you are running away from your own destiny. Ngizoma lapho ngenxa yesikhathi.
Is everything registering?
Yeah, so amaphupho I've had them and it was just amaphupho saying sabani wakhuluma abanye abantu. The ideas in business, so I've stopped talking about my ideas. When people feel I need to director general to one of the business that I'm approaching. Yes, you're going to get the work, but just stop telling people about this and this. Calm down.
All right, Anonymous, now for time purposes, I'm going to have to let you go. But I will be sharing the number. Of course, Masikhakhane, please do yourself a favor and consult, all right?
Yeah, you need to follow up. All the best, man. Thank you so much for the call.
Last caller.
We have time for one more.
Yeah.
Anonymous.
Yebo unjani?
Sikhona manje mofuna ukuthi akuconsultele uMakhosi Masikhakhane uthi nje thokoza gogo o thokoza Makhosi.
Okay. All right. Thokoza gogo.
Thokoza mkhulu njani?
Sikhona.
Mangibheka impilo yakho kuqhamuka okhokhokazi abakude kakhulu basekhabo mawakho. Baqhamuka futhi njenganabantu abakhulumela phansi who are not as fast paced as you are. Now, number one, ogogo bangibuza umbuzo ukuthi how wena sewuyahlola mawuhlola uzokwenzani mawuqeda. Mangiyibuza lenkulumo ukubona ukuthi indaba bengibuza lokho bakuveza njenganomuntu othandayo ukwazi but you're not really going to follow on ngezinto ezihlangene nomsamo, you're not really going to follow on ngezinto ezihlangene nemithi nokwelashwa. Bakuveza njenganomuntu ongenayo ifocus kangako spiritually. It's like you want an easy fix, uyashesha ukudineka unenhliziyo encane uyaduba. And ugogo wakho athi you need to take back the words that you sometimes say to them because wena you claim ngomlomo wakho ukuthi kanti idlozi lenzani lihleli kupha bakusiza ngalutho. Bathi abantu abadala they are not always going to be there makukuhle kuphela but nasemzimeni you need to trust in them and trust in God even more. Now abantu abadala bathi mangase ngikutshela ukuthi wena fanele uye emanzini uyogezwa noma ngithi fanele ukuthi kube khona into oyenzayo kobe sengikucasule sengikuxoshile ngoba awukufuni lokho ufuna abakutshela indlela elulo ukuthi imali ingangena kanjani. Bathi abadala kukho okulula okuphathelene neyakhe impilo ngoba wena umuntu ophakathi kombango ngoba 1 minute udonsakala ekhabo mama uphinde futhi udonse ekhabo kababa. Now ekhabo kababa kubonakala njenganekhaya ongathi manje alisekho kanti futhi responsibility yokuvusa amakhaya ihambe yabekwa kwawakho amahlombe. Bathi abantu abadala yebo imthwalo ekhona kuwena ingaphezulu kwamandla kodwa akuyona isolution ukuthi ufuna ukukhipha noma ufuna ukuhlehla kubantu abomndeni because you are who you are ngenxa yabantu ozalwa kubona nohamba nabo. Now sengivala bathi abantu abadala angibheke phakathi kwena esiswini ngoba njengoba ngihlola ngizwa kukhona into eyisigaxa ngaphakathi esiswini engidonsa enkabeni yenza ukuthi kube ngathi manje ngiphele umoya bathi abantu abadala umoya lo hleli kuwena okuyiwona lo wenza ukuthi ube umuntu odla excessively kakhulukazi ebusuku bathi kuphela ngisho amathe emlomeni kube ngathi umuntu ophuza amanzi njalo njenganomuntu onenyongo bathi kufanele kube njalo ngoba umuntu odliswayo bathi kuhamba kube khona izinkulumo eziqhamuke emathongeni esadini lasekhabo kabo which is why you will constantly experience ama-sharp pains endlebeni yakho yaka right bathi abantu abadala yebo umuntu okwaziyo ukuthi likhona idlozi nokhona uNkulunkulu but you are not connecting inhliziyo yakhe phansi umoya wakho phansi uyafana njenganomuntu osugive uphile osuthi ngiphilela ukuthi makwenzeka kuyenzeka mangenzeka kwenzeka when it comes to isimo se relationship bathi abantu abadala uma ungazimisela ukuthanda umuntu umthembe hlehla uma ungazimisela ukuthanda umuntu hlehla kuyena because amagama akho they are too sharp afana nemess in a relationship you sometimes say very hurtful things because of what you are going through ngizoma lapha
my goodness anonymous
ya okushoyo ngiyakuzwa kodwa engingakusho ukuthi lokho abakushoyo kwamanje vele ngiyasiza but bona banganginikeza into yomuthi so mina ngisebenza ngokwamanje
anonymous Zoshi number Masikhakhane, you understand? This was just an intro conversation for the two of you guys. You can take it further. Tata Njele number down. Thank you so much for Gusfonel Anonymous, okay?
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, man. So that's how we're leveling up on a Monday. Now, if you want to
This guy
continue
really doesn't
leveling
have
up...
time.
It's okay. Chapu.
Bye-bye. Nothing makes sense. Like, no.
Right? Okay, so number Masikhakhane is 060-844-4882. I'll give you the 40. 060-844-4882. All right.